In this video, I'm going to show you how to start making passive income online selling print on demand products. And for those who don't know what print on demand is, so basically you can think of print on demand as a way of creating design and printing those designs on any product. And those products could be a bag, it could be a cup, as you can see right here, it could be a phone case, it could also be a pillowcase, as you can see right here, or it could be a t-shirt. And whenever people buy this product, you make money. All right, so it's that simple. And there are numerous print on demand platforms out there. This one right here is Redbubble, and also we have the likes of Teespring as well. As you can see right here, there are numerous print on demand products on Teespring as well. As you can see, they also have phone case right here. So basically I'm going to show you how to make money selling print on demand products. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to create an account with either of these websites right here. You can use Redbubble, you can also use Teespring if you want, but I'm going to be taking Teespring here as an example. So all you just need to do is to come over here and create an account. So you want to click on this start creating. You want to type in your name right here, your email, your password, and that is it. Or if you have a Facebook or Google account, you can use that as well. So for me, I'm going to be taking the Google account option right here. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. All right, so now the account has been created. So the next step you want to do now is you want to click on this section that says start creating. All right, and also keep in mind the same process applies to Redbubble as well. So basically you can use either of these two platforms. So once you are on this page right here, the next thing you want to do, as you can see right here, there are numerous templates right here. You can see t-shirt design, you can see a mug right here, and also you can see stickers right here. So all you just need to do is click on create now, and you are going to create your design. Okay, so for this video I'm going to be taking the t-shirt as an example right here. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on this create now. All right, so once you do that, here you are going to import your design. All right, or you can add a text. So the first thing you want to do before you create a design, you want to have a niche in mind. Okay, so I recommend going for popular niches because there are a lot of people who are interested in that niche, and many of them are going to be willing to buy a print on demand product in that niche. So example of this type of niches is the animal niche, because this type of niches gets a lot of audience and you can sell numerous products to this niche. Okay, now to get design, you can basically just go on Fiverr and you can type in t-shirt designing right here, and you are going to see a lot of sellers on Fiverr who are going to charge just $5 to create a design for you. Or you can go over to Google and you can type in the niche right here, and you can type in T design, just like I did right here, cat design. Like I said, the animal niche is the best for print on demand products. Okay, as you can see right here, there are numerous products that you can get ideas from right here. All right, so in this video I'm going to be sharing a bunch of design that you can get started with for absolutely free. So I'll be linking it in the description if you want. As you can see, this is a design for the dog niche right here. The more people I meet, the more I love my dog. So you can see right here, this is a very eye-catchy design, and for those who are interested in dogs. All right, so like I said, I'll be giving you a link to over 150 designs that you can get started with for absolutely free. Okay, so what you want to do from here, you want to download the design. So I'm just going to download this one right here. Okay, now the design have been downloaded. So the next thing I want to do is go over to locate the design you just downloaded. So I'm just going to click on this one to import this design. So since the design is in white color, so I'm just going to change the color of this t-shirt. So I'm going to click on this white, I'm going to click on this plus button right here, and I'm going to select this color or any of these other colors right here. Okay, so here you are going to choose the number of colors that you want for this t-shirt. Right, so I'm going to disable this white since the design is in white color. So now all I just need to do is click on this design right here, and I can adjust it. So I'm just going to drop it in the center right here, and also you can scale it up if you want. Okay, you can see everything looks good like this. So if I click on this preview button right here, you can see this is the design right here. The more people I meet, the more I love my dog. So once you're done, you want to click on this done right here. And also if you don't have any design, you can type in a text right here. Okay, so all you just need to do is type in the text as you can see right here. So you can type in any text if you want, but since I have a design, I don't need to type a text. So I'm just going to be working with this already made design. So the next thing you want to do right here, you want to set a price for your t-shirt. As you can see right here, if you sell this shirt for $23.99, you are going to be making $10 for every single sale you make. And also keep in mind, whenever you make a sale, Teespring is going to do the handling and the shipping of this product. So you don't need to do anything other than designing the t-shirts. All right. So basically, as you can see right here, the more you increase the price, so if you want to sell it for $33.99, the more profit you are going to make. But I recommend you just go with this recommended price right here. Okay. So basically, once you're done with the design, all you just need to do is click on continue right here. All right, so once the design is made, you can add numerous products if you want. If you want to add a hoodie, all you just need to do is check this hoodie button right here. All right, as you can see, it has added this hoodie right here. All right, if you want to sell a mug, all you just need to do is click on the mug right here. Okay, so depending on the number of products you want to sell, all you just need to do is select the product right here. Also, you can come over to this accessories section to find other products that you can sell this design on. All right, so like I said, all you just need to do is select as many products as you want. Once you're done, all you just need to do is click on this continue right here. All right, so the next thing you want to do here, you want to give your design a name. So I'm just going to type in I love my dog. So here you can write a short description right here. All right, so you just want to type in something short like this is for dog lovers right here. And then once you're done, all you just need to do is click on publish listing. So once that is done, this is the URL to this product right here. Okay, so all I just need to do is click on this share URL. And if I paste that in a new tab, as you can see right here, this is the product page right here. So whenever anybody purchases this product right here for $23.99, I make $10. All right, so it's that simple. And like I said, this is the link to this product right here. The next thing you are going to be doing is very, very simple. I'm going to show you how to drive targeted traffic to this design right here. Okay, so you want to go over to YouTube and you want to type in something like dog funny videos. Okay, so once you do that, you want to filter to the Creative Commons. You are going to see a lot of videos that you can use for absolutely free. You can see these videos are getting a lot of views on YouTube. You can see this one right here, 12 million views on this video already. If you scroll down, you are going to see other videos that are getting a lot of views for funny dog videos. All right, so basically all you are going to do is very, very simple. All you just need to do is download this video and re-upload these videos. Okay, and you want to go over to Google and type in YouTube to MP4 right here. You are going to see a lot of platforms that you can use to download YouTube videos. So once the video has been downloaded, you want to head over to canva.com and you want to make sure you come over to this video section and you want to click on this mobile video right here. You are going to see a lot of templates that you can use for absolutely free right here. Okay, now you want to come over to the upload section and you want to click on upload files and you want to upload the video you just downloaded from YouTube and you want to drag and drop that video right here. So you want to make sure the video fits perfectly. So you want to paste it like this. All right, so the next thing you want to do from here, you want to come over to the text section and you want to drag this heading. As you can see, you can also change the color right here by coming to this text color and you can give it a white. So you want to type in something simple like click link in the description and you want to come back to the element section and you want to click on this arrow, or you can type in the arrow right here. All right, so once you do that, you are going to see numerous arrows that you can use for free. All right, so you can take this arrow right here as an example. You want to drag and drop the arrow right here. And then you want to scale it down and you want to rotate the arrow, make it point downward. Okay, so as you can see right here, the arrow is pointing downward. So you can also duplicate the arrow. All right, so once you duplicate the arrow, you can just paste it like this, as you can see right here. So as people are watching this video, they are going to see this click link in the description. So basically, this is how you are going to make the video. This is all you need to do. And once you're done, just click on this share right here. And once you do that, you will be able to click on this download button and you want to click on this download. And as you can see right here, this video is being downloaded. All right, as you can see right here, the video has been completely downloaded. So now you want to create a YouTube channel for the dog niche. And once you do that, you want to come over to the upload section and you want to upload that video. All right, so once you have the video uploaded on YouTube, all you just want to do is give the video a catchy title by typing in something like funny dog moment. All right, so you can just keep it as simple like that. Also keep in mind, you don't need to make a thumbnail for short videos. All you just need to do now is come over to the description and you want to type in something simple like check out this dog design, and then you want to go back to Teespring and you want to copy the link. So once you copy the link, you want to paste the link in the description right here, and all you just need to do is post the video. All right, so once you post the video, as you can see right here, these videos are getting thousands of views, and you want to post as many videos for as many animal niche as you can. And if you remain consistent with the uploads, you are going to make money. So let's say only 5 people decide to purchase every single day, you are already making $50 from the dog niche alone. So you are going to repeat the same for as many animal niche as you can think of. Like I said, I'm going to share this design and other 150 designs that you can use for absolutely free. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.